Hi, this is Delta Victorious. I'm here to read another poem from my book, Solitary Airs. But first, check out the books of Marcus Bruce, The Amazing Adventures of Jimmy, Jumpferjoy, 2314, April 16, 2017, Deep Fried Lice. Deep Fried Lice. I am in a world of woe. I am covered in deep fried lice that crackle and spatter crispy brown. And I am in a sorry state, the chameleon of common causes, engaged in a polite bubble of inoculation. Peace eludes me as I contemplate the deep state of my effortless falling from a state of magnanimous grace. A steep decline of my energy has me slothfully engaged in the human race. An entropy, extroverted entity. Am I sliding inclined down a chute of mystery that leads to a shiny blue sparkling sea? Or am I just a husk of a kernel, intrepid, directionless vagabond who curdles when he sees people exactly like me, struggling and smiling vaguely, obsessively, avoiding contact with convicts, the nascent subtlety of enigmatic Eastern polemics, the dichotomy of which excludes the relentless, suffering, institutionalized, witless inhabitants. I seem enormously incompetent without any vision. Is it dark in here? Is it dark in here? Or are my closed eyes a symptom of my incomprehensible existence? A nomad traveling through inhospitable lands, reaching for a modicum of congeniality and finding an empty cupboard, an empty life of self-absorbed self-delusion. Will it end with a winding, twisting, neck-snapping sand trap, throwing ice in my eyes? Am I winding down this dark, narrow road alone? Am I in need to question this illusion, to find elucidation? Or am I just self-delusion? Am I just overactive imagination? Am I insane? Looking out of plate glass windows into an unimaginable gloom? Or am I covered in deep fried lice, crying in my sleep? And that was poem number 2314, April 16, 2017, Deep Fried Lice. And now check out the books of Marcus Bruce, The Amazing Adventures of Jimmy Jumpferjoy. This is Delta Victorious, the unsung poet. I thank you.
Witless inhabitants, I seem enormously incompetent without any vision. Is it dark in here? Is it dark in here? Or are my closed eyes a symptom of my incomprehensible existence? A nomad